Hi everyone, hope you're enjoying your spring break. I am opening Module 5 Part 2 tomorrow, so you will have that available over the weekend if you choose to do work on the weekend. You do not have to, of course, so hopefully it's been restful so far. As well, you know that there's extra credit that I opened up on during the midterm, and that will be available until the last week of the course. That's to do a practice presentation using Screencast-O-Matic. So that's kind of get you ready for your final reflection presentation. That'll be later in the semester, but just give you a little practice and also a chance for some extra credit. So that is open and will continue to be so. Coming up in Module 5 Part 2, we're going to be reading a chapter in our textbook about learning and teaching styles, and also how that intersects with critical thinking. So we'll be talking about that in a discussion board coming up in the next module, and as well, it's time to submit the rough draft of your reflection paper. We're going to do a peer review assignment, so you'll be submitting that as well to a discussion board in this upcoming module. You will read another person's reflection paper, and we'll do that by pairs by the time of submission. So depending on when you submit it, the first person who submits will pair up with the second person, and then the third and the fourth, and so on. So 2 by 2 we'll do that. If there's an odd number at the end of everything, I can also pitch in and do a peer review. So make sure you get those in by Thursday so that your peer reviewer will have a few days to look it over and review it by the end of the module on Sunday. That's what's coming up. As well, don't forget to continue working on your ePortfolio. We've been talking a little bit about that, and so just continue to kind of get that in shape. If you have questions on that, we do have an ePortfolio workshop coming up. Either, I guess it's next week after this week, April 6th. So you're definitely invited to come. We'll be holding that in the ILC, the Learning Center, and that's the class that the hybrid course, 300 hybrid course uses. So you may see some of your hybrid 300 students, fellow students there as well. So in any case, you're welcome to come to that. And just a final word to encourage you to participate in the learning sessions that Boise State is putting on. I also put in the announcement tonight some Google chat sessions. So there will be some Google Hangouts that you can participate in if you're not from around Boise, and if you can't make the other assigned times that I already posted. So I'll post those tonight as well. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. If I don't hear from you, I'll definitely see you online. Thanks.